I'm Brittany with Beautifully Connected. I'm a birth doula, massage therapist, and I practice herbals with the Wise Woman method. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about Bengkung belly binding for postpartum women. A Bengkung belly binding has been done for thousands of years in Malaysia, and some form of belly binding has been done in a lot of different countries. They do it in Africa, in Mexico, in all of the Asian countries. And the idea behind belly binding is that you're going to bind the hips and bind the abdomen so that you can encourage healing after childbirth. So after you have a baby, your sits bones, they become open, and that's wonderful. That's just to let baby through the pelvis. They open and become wider, but you don't want to be walking around like that for the rest of your life. You can become quite unstable in your back, and it can cause hip pain, and can even cause some muscular dysfunction in your abs. So with the belly binding, we're going to actually bind right here, kind of at the hips, and we build up all the way up to the top of the rib cage. So that kind of brings an element of stability to the postpartum women, and it's very helpful with nursing. You can have a lot of core stability and strength with that, and then also it's very good for keeping the hips stable. You still have the pregnancy relaxin hormone in your body after you give birth. That makes your joints more lax, so you're more prone to injury after you have a baby. So in order to prevent injury and to increase stability and even help heal the organs, we do Bengkung belly binding. So to do the Bengkung belly binding, what you're going to do is take the wrap and hold it at arm's length, and you're going to place it flat across your hips, kind of where your pockets would be if you were wearing jeans. And you just wrap it around, bring it to the front, and pull that top piece down and give it a little twist. There's no need to knot this at all. It'll be nice and tight, and it's actually more comfortable if you don't knot it. So after that, you're going to continue to pass around the wrap or the bind and build all the way up to the rib cage. When you get to the end of the bind, you can go ahead and either tuck the tails in or you could tie it off. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Also, if you have any questions about holistic health, be sure to put those in the comments for me.